Hello and welcome. You will learn what is manifestation magic and how it works, what results you can expect after using it, what about benefits and side effects. In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions. So please keep watching to discover everything to know about this magic formula in this video. But before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. This little action really supports us so much and motivates us to produce more and helpful contents for you. Imagine being able to get whatever you want just by imagining or visualizing it. It's akin to having a mind like Aladdin's lamp. The only difference is that you're both the lamp and the genie. Is this even possible? The law of attraction says it is. The theory that one can visualize success and materialize their heart's inner desires into reality has been around for ages. There are countless books on the topic and just about everyone has an opinion on it. Does the law of attraction work? You bet it does. But here's the catch, we often get in our own way. This is why most people spend days and weeks visualizing what they want and they never manifest it. Their thinking is off and their beliefs are off. So even with proper application of the law, their progress is blocked by their mental and emotional hurdles. Over the past year, there has been a product called manifestation magic that has been steadily rising in popularity to become an online bestseller. Despite selling thousands of copies, it still hasn't become a household name like The Secret yet. However, manifestation magic does something that The Secret never did. It works on your brainwaves to remove the obstacles in your thoughts and feelings so that you can use the law of attraction to your fullest potential. This is a product that must be analyzed thoroughly so that you can understand why and how it works. What is manifestation magic? When you are looking for guidance, and you really want something that will help you out, you need to make sure that you are getting the best. Therefore, reviews will help you understand as much as possible about a product before you buy it. It's necessary to pay attention whenever you come across a serious and real review of a legit product. In this review, I will make sure to provide as much content as possible. In summary, I will be covering everything that you would like to know about this product, from what it is, how it works, and what makes it the best for you. In essence, manifestation magic is a very comprehensive system that offers people an opportunity and route through which they can be able to get into their inner power. As the name suggests, it is a system that was made to help you come up and manifest your own power in real life. Basically, it is a system meant to guide you, step by step, to the full realization of your actual power and be able to use it in your life. Imagine, by the time you are halfway through this guide, you will know precisely what is it that you want for yourself and how to get it. Then, you will realize exactly how you have been living below your level. How manifestation magic works. To start, the working system of the manifestation magic is straightforward. First, when you look at this system, you will find a useful, easy-to-follow guide. Then, by going through this system, you will be able to understand so many things about your life than you ever thought. Alexander, the author of this system, has tried as much as possible to make sure that it is the most comfortable system to work. To make this happen, he divided everything in this guide into a step-by-step format. So, every step is explained in detail. It means that you will be going through each step at a time, and it allows you to understand better everything in it. In this guide, you find that everything works with you, step by step, to make sure that you comprehend very well. Here are some of the things that you will be able to learn from this guide. Understanding your deeper self. In this system, you will be able to understand yourself more in depth. The guide allows you to look at yourself and appreciate all your weaknesses and your strengths. That way, you can make the right decisions. Step-by-step instructions to your inner power. This is the real part where you get to know how to find your place in the world effectively. In this part, Alexander clearly shows you exactly how to come up with ways that you can follow to understand your power source. By going through this system, you will be surprised to find so many things that you have not been doing that you can do very well. About the author, Alexander J. Wilson. Well, Alexander J. Wilson is the guy behind the creation of this system. He is a guy who, for a start, has written many books that have changed many people's lives. Therefore, he is a very reputable author, and you can be sure he has done a great job in this product. Another thing worth noting is that Alexander has been a spiritual teacher for more than 7 years. Hence, writing many books on self-realization and self-manifestation based on real practices. In essence, what he has done in this guide is that he teaches you to get rid of the mental blocks that you might be facing. At the same time, with each block gone, a new possibility arises. Through this guide, he shows how one can be able to outdo himself magically. Good points. The moment you visit the official website, you're hit with a wall of testimonials and success stories from people who have tried the product and seen progress in their lives. This social proof is priceless and proof that the product works if you apply it. Manifestation Magic is backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. This inspires trust and takes all the risk off you. If you feel like the program doesn't work for you, you can always get your investment back. When you purchase the program, you'll get a quick start manifestation guide to tell you what to expect in the program and how it all works together. You're also given a series of audio tracks that you'll need to listen to. Here's where it gets a little technical. These audios are called energy orbiting audios. Quite frankly, this could just be a cool name and clever marketing. However, they are just like subliminal videos or audios that work on your subconscious mind, where the magic happens. One of the tracks is called Twilight Transformation, and it's a 20-minute audio that you'll listen to every night before you sleep. This is when your subconscious mind is most susceptible to autosuggestion. The other 2 audios are the Daytime Wealth Activator and the 10-minute Meditator audio tracks. These are all designed to help you achieve the wealth and success you desire. The official website talks a lot about altering your brainwaves with delta waves, beta waves, and theta waves in the soundtrack. To the layman, all this talk about brainwaves is just confusing and sounds like gobbledygook. All you really need to know is that these audio tracks are created in a way that helps your brain to easily absorb the positive suggestions within, so that your own negative beliefs, which are holding you back, are wiped out and replaced with success-conscious thoughts. That's when you'll see results. The product is an instant download. In fact, you could be listening to the energy orbiting audios and reading the quick start guide within 10 minutes of purchase. You can truly start changing your life today. There are several attractive bonuses that come with the main product. Here's a list of bonuses you'll receive. The Chakra Power System. Manifestation Magic 360 Transformation System. Manifestation Magic App. Manifestation Magic is based on sound scientific principles. This review has not gone into detail about the power of brainwaves and their different frequencies because you'll get a detailed explanation on the official website. What's important to know is that the science behind the product is solid, and that's probably why it's so effective for so many people. Do watch the video on the official website to get a full understanding and appreciation of how the product works. Negative points. The problem with most of these manifestation and law of attraction books, courses, etc., is that they make it look like no effort is required on your part. Nothing could be further from the truth. Attraction equals attract plus action. This formula is the missing key. The Manifestation Magic audio tracks are fantastic for altering your brainwaves so that you attract positive things into your life, but ultimately, you'll need to do the necessary work too. So, be ready for that. The boxer, Muhammad Ali, once said, "It's the repetition of affirmations that leads to belief." He's absolutely right. The Manifestation Magic audio tracks and the system is powerful, but you'll need to listen to them daily until you manifest your heart's desires. Many people start off good, but as the days go by, their excitement wanes and they miss a day or two. And finally stop listening altogether. Avoid this pitfall and stay consistent. It may be a hassle, but that's just how it is. The colors on the sales page may look cheesy and a turn-off to some people. It's a pity because this is a great product that's a bestseller. It's important to bear in mind that substance matters more than appearance in this case. Pros. It is very comprehensive. It is not a guide that will introduce you into something and then leave you hanging. The nature of this system is exceptional at making sure that you succeed at every step. Very affordable. Looking at how much you will be able to achieve from using this system is worth using. It is made by an author who is a professional in the field. Alexander Wilson is an author who has written several books and understands what he is talking about. The system is designed for everyone. Once you get the guide and apply the methods given, they will work. You get a 60-day money-back guarantee in case the system does not work for you as expected. Cons. You need to be patient when applying the methods given. It will take time before it can work. The system is only available through digital devices. Make sure you have one. Should you get it? If you're looking for a product that will help you to attract wealth, success, and good luck into your life, Manifestation Magic is as good as any other law of attraction book and course out there. In fact, it's better than most. The testimonials and the fact that it's a runaway bestseller online with thousands of copies sold is proof that it works. The creator of this course, Alexander Wilson, is probably using the same techniques to manifest this successful product. After all, you're watching this review, aren't you? But what brought you here? The law of attraction works if you know what you're doing. Manifestation Magic with its audio tracks and guide will help you become a magnet that attracts whatever you want. Most people repel what they want and attract what they don't. Their thinking and brainwaves are off. This product fixes the problem so that you don't get in your own way. Finally, your visualization and effort will pay off. Manifestation Magic will remove your mental and emotional blocks so that you're a conduit of positive energy that allows the universe to readily give you your heart's desires. It's a valuable investment that you have ever made in your life. Get your Manifestation Magic today. Click the link in the description to start right now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video, and if you have any question, please go ahead, let me know by leaving a comment below right now.